So Sri Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister and also in charge of Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space and all important policy issues and all other portfolios not allocated to any ministers. Moving to cabinet ministers, Sri Rajnath Singh is the defense minister. Amit Shah is Minister of Home Affairs. Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways and Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Sri D.V. Sadananda Gowda, Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs. Sri Ramvilas Paswan, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Narendra Singh Tomar, given Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayat Raj. Ravi Shankar Prasad, Minister of Law and Justice, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology. Srimati Arsimrat Kaul Badal, Minister of Food Processing Industries. Sri Thawar Chand Gehlot is Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar is Minister of External Affairs. Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is Minister of Human Resource Development. Sri Arjun Munda is Minister of Tribal Affairs. Srimati Smriti Iran is Minister of Women and Child Development and Minister of Textiles. Dr. Harshvardhan, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of Science and Technology and Minister of Earth Science. Sri Prakash Javadekar, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Information and Broadcasting. Sri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Railway and Minister of Commerce and Industry. Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Steel. Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs. Sri Prahlad Joshi, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines. Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Sri Arvind Ken Batsan, Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprise. Sri Giriraj Singh, Minister of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti. Then Minister